Hello children, welcome you. In this class I am going to explain you codominance. So what is the codominance? In codominance, both the genes of an allelomorphic pair express themselves equally in F1 hybrid. It means both allelic gene of genetic traits are equally expressive. In other words, you can say the dominant character is not able to suppress the recessive character. It means both the characters appear side by side in F1 hybrid. So when both the characters appear side by side in F1 hybrid, you take example of here cattle. So codominance you have to study in the coat color. In cattle, gene R stand for red coat color. Red coat color and gene R stand for it. White coat color, gene W stand for it. So when red cattle is crossed with white cattle, the F1 hybrids are roan. It means it is the mixture of red and white hair which develop side by side. Their parents was pure red and pure white. When there is a cross between these parents, F1 progeny are produced. The F1 progeny are having roan color. It means it is the mixture of red and white hair. It had developed side by side, and this F1 progeny is heterozygous. If you see the allelomorphs of F1 progeny, that is capital R and capital W. Capital R is for dominant, capital W is for white. There are also capital R and capital W. So in this, red could not suppress the white, but red and white both are able to express equally. So like, and when there is the self cross, then F2 progeny are produced. In the F2 progeny, you will see there is the ratio of phenotypic ratio is 1:2:1. One is red, two is roan, one is white. So children, you have to understand what is meaning of roan. Roan means their coat color is the mixture of red and white. So on the skin, red hair and white hair both are present. So their phenotypic ratio is 1:2:1, and when you are taking genotypic ratio, so genotypic ratio is also 1:2:1 because one is pure red, that is capital R, 2 are roan, capital R, capital W, one is white, capital W and capital W. So this is the 1:2:1. Phenotypic ratio and genotypic ratio both are the same in the codominance. So children, you have to understand in the codominance both are going to express equally. One is not able to suppress to the other. Children, you can get codominance in the blood group also. If you study the blood group, there are 3 types of blood group in humans. There are 4 types of blood group in humans: A, B, AB and O. So ABO blood groups are controlled by the gene I. These genes are present in the blood cells. The plasma membrane of red blood cells has a sugar polymer that protrudes from its surface, and the kind of sugar control is controlled by the gene. Gene I has 3 alleles. So which are the 3 alleles? That is IA, IB and I. IA, IB and I. These are the 3 alleles. The allele IA and IB produce a slightly different form of the sugar, where allele I does not produce any sugar. Children, 3 types of genes are present in the blood cells. I told one is IA, other is IB and third one is I. IA and IB produce slightly different form of the sugar, and I will not produce any sugar. IA and IB, these two are dominant over I. So when IA and IB are dominant over I, so when this IA and I is present, only IA express. When IB and I is present, then only IB express, because I and IB are dominant. Only I is the recessive. But when IA and IB both are present together, then both express their own type of sugar. So it means both are expressing. No one is going to suppress to other. Therefore, it is due to codominance.